Hello friends, once again welcome you all on all-in-one YouTube channel. Now I will tell you about Vlookup in Excel sheet. This is our source data mark sheet, and suppose I want to look up a result of any student by their roll number in vertical. Then I'll have to use Vlookup command. All this information I want to look up, I'll have to copy and paste in vertical because I want to see information or I want to look up information in vertical. Then paste special and transpose vertical. Now I want to look up by their roll number. Then suppose I want to look up result of roll number 1 and all this information. Now I'll have to apply Vlookup command. For that, equal to Vlookup. Lookup value is $M and $3. This is the lookup value, means cell address of roll number, then comma, table array means our source data. Then this is our source data mark sheet from roll number to grade, and comma, as you can see that formula on name. Therefore I'll have to put here column number of name and column number 2 for name. Now close the bracket and enter. Now you can see that roll number 1 name is A. Okay, roll number 2 name is B. Then I'll have to use same formula for all these information. Then let's start. Copy and copy paste, or I can do this, select and Control D. Now you can see error in all this cell because column number 2 is for name and in this cell column number is 2. Therefore we can see A. This is name, not number of math. Therefore I'll have to change here column number and source table value, because here you can see that A2 to J28 and in this cell A3 to J28 source address increased one by one. You can see A4 to J30, A5 to J31. Therefore I'll have to change this source value. You can type formula one by one, or you can alter formula in all this cell. Therefore let's start. I'll have to copy source address from here, copy and paste, and column number is 3. Copy and paste column number 4. Copy and paste here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now you can see, if I want to look up result of roll number 10, then roll number 10 name is J and math 66, English 30, science 33, social science 44, Hindi 45, total 218 percentage is 43.6 and grade is C as per this table. And now we can search. Now I am able to look up result of any student by their roll number. 13, name is M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 15. All the information as per our source table, means this mark sheet. Thank you friends. I hope you have understood about Vlookup, that how can we use Vlookup command. I request you all, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification about my new video. Thank you.